This time, I'm bringing you not just one, but two powerful methods to create that trending Studio Ghibli-style artwork, including how to use ChatGPT for the job. And best of all, it's totally free. But that's not all. I'll also guide you through how to create that eye-catching Muppet art and how to animate your final design into a complete video clip you can use for content creation. All I ask is that you take a second right now, hit that like button, and if you're new around here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any future tutorials. Let's get started. Pay close attention. This right here is ChatGPT. I opened a new chat, uploaded a photo, and typed a prompt asking it to turn the image into a Studio Ghibli-style scene. And look what it created. Now here's something cool. I used the free version of ChatGPT for this. When I clicked the icon up top, it showed I'm on the free plan, no upgrades. Yet still, it gave me that incredible Ghibli-style result. This might have happened for a specific reason, or it could have just been luck, but it worked. Next, I'll walk you through how you can use ChatGPT to make these images yourself. Personally, I've found that ChatGPT is currently one of the best free tools for transforming images into Studio Ghibli art, and I'll also introduce you to a separate website that does the job beautifully too. No cost at all. I'll drop the link in the description for easy access. Once you click the link, you'll land on the site's homepage. This page lets you upload any photo and convert it into a Ghibli-style illustration. Again, totally free, at least for now. It might become paid later. Click the small square box, select the image you want from your computer, and it'll appear on the page. For example, I picked an image like this, then clicked Open. Here's where it's important to set the right dimensions. If your image is square, choose square. If it's a wide horizontal image, go with wide. If it's a tall vertical shot, select tall. This ensures the result looks clean. Now in the prompt box, I wrote something like, transform this photo into a Studio Ghibli illustration, then clicked Generate, and the system began processing the image. And yep, in a few seconds, I had my Ghibli-style image, complete with dreamy filters and artistic shading. To download your result, just click the little download icon. That's it. Let's test a new image. I clicked the upload box again, picked another photo, and this time I typed the prompt. Something like, convert this scene to Ghibli style, then hit generate again. The tool got to work, just like before. And as expected, it produced another stunning result. You can also scroll down the site and see examples of images others have created. And honestly, the quality is impressive. Now let's talk ChatGPT again. I tried using ChatGPT to generate another piece of artwork, and it worked beautifully. There's good news and some slight limitations here. The good? You can use ChatGPT to generate images for free. The downside? You typically only get one image per day. But here's a workaround, a little trick. If you want more than one image a day, just create multiple ChatGPT accounts. That way, you can make as many images as you like. I even managed to convert an image into Muppet using ChatGPT for free. Let's break it down. Say you don't have a ChatGPT account yet. Just head to Google, search for ChatGPT, and click the official link, chat.openai.com. It'll take you to the login page. Click on Sign Up, and you'll be able to create an account using email. Your account is now active. You can even switch the theme from light to dark in settings if that helps. Click New Chat and then click the plus sign to upload a photo. After uploading, I typed this prompt. Convert this image into Studio Ghibli style, resolution 1920 by 1080. This works best with wide images. If you're using square, the output might only appear in square dimensions. Hit send, and let's see what happens. We're using a fresh, free account here, and it still processed the image perfectly. The final image looked like it came straight out of a movie. To download, click the icon again. Let's try uploading one more. At this point, the system might say you've hit your limit. which is why I suggest using multiple accounts. That way, if you have 5 accounts, you can generate 5 different AI images a day. And if you're wondering how to make more Gmail accounts, there are ways to do it even from mobile without needing a phone number. Once you're in ChatGPT with a new account, upload your photo again, type your prompt, like, convert this image into Muppet, and click send. Hopefully it works again. It did for me. The result? A Muppet illustration with strong lines and dramatic colors. Click the download icon to save it. Okay, now the fun part. Let's turn that AI image into a video. You've probably seen these online, animations synced with music, story clips, or memes. Here's how. Go to Google and search hailuoai. I'll also link it in the description. Click the first result and sign up. Once inside, click on Create Video and then select Image to Video. Upload the image you want to animate. Choose your preferred animation model. I usually go with the one that adds slight motion, like zoom in, cinematic movements, or even character expressions. From there, write a short description. For example, make the person in the background speak to the one in front. You can even write it in another language and paste it here. Then hit Generate. Wait a moment, and boom. Your animated video is ready. Click to play, and you'll see your characters come to life, moving, looking around, even interacting. The result is seriously impressive. All of this? Completely free. I didn't spend a single dollar on this process. I know this was a long one, and I really appreciate you sticking with me. It took me hours to put this video together. So if you got value from it, please hit that like, leave me a comment, and if you haven't subscribed yet, do that now and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and as always, peace out and happy creating.